As a people, our culture, music, color, and style are exemplified in personalities through fashion. Fashion has evolved, and so is the business of fashion in Nigeria. OSC, visit www.oscfashion.com. You can call us on 081-7363-9742. Email info@oscfashion.com. You can also follow our other social media handles. We are One Stop Celebration. OSC. Educate. Empower. Employ.
样品就这一样了，你照一个好了。现在没烫，难看一点啊，要烫了就好看一点了。好了吧？
So, live from one of the factories that we've set up. We set it up and we are also training them on production planning. So today, they are now experimenting and showing what they can do by themselves. So they are the ones cutting. Over here, we have the cutting group. They are cutting a wrap skirt production. So they are doing a sample.
Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell, trying to hide the smell of the sex. Praying on a Chanel. Then they try to walk with the struts, don't know what could tell. Come on, how a nigga got in their butt, made everything jail. Come on, got a chick a while like a nut, she blowing my cell. Come on, can't get enough of the kid, I put her under my spell. Get low, but how did mommy move it along? If you know you bout it, then get to removing your thong. To the whip and back of the truck, that's where you belong. After the yak, you see the type of raunchy shit they be on. Turn it up, street niggas respect it because my movement is strong. Come on, we consistently rap and see my money is long. All my bitches is with me, see how they singing the song. That's how we get in the stick and we be digging them long. I let them.
One of the things that we want to ensure that we lay emphasis on is the embrace of technology, automation, because we found that that's the only way we can remain competitive. You know, in India, China, Turkey, wherever you go to, all the factories produce using industrial machines. I have made sure that every factory or anywhere we open, we use technology. We have automated, computerized machines that stitch in a better quality, that can produce 500 shirts in a day. It's used to make the colors, the cuffs. So technology is what we have seen as a unique selling point that we want to use to show Nigerians that things can also be done the internationally accepted way in Nigeria or in Africa. So businesses being run by women are usually towards solving a problem that they have seen. The challenge has been, you know,
baby, you can't call only break up with that boyfriend because of me. She wants one thing, nobody. She won't break up with that boy because of me. She don't really know, she wants one thing, nobody. I got the energy, yeah, to make our love bound to unfold. It's such a remedy, yeah, that your heart brings to my soul. I got an eye on you in all you do, but you won't let me through your door.
that stands out for confidence and self-empowerment.
One of the few things that we're very particular about is timely delivery. So we promise to always produce high quality, internationally accepted designs and garments delivered on time, and of course at a fair price that ensures that we can pay all our hardworking staffs fairly and still have enough profits to continue to exist as a business.
Welcome to OSC College of Fashion and Garment Factory. OSC is a combination of a fashion house, a school, and a garment factory. We are OSC, one-stop celebration. Our service and quality are top-notch.
It's a proper school set up only to teach you separately from the production or sewing. If 10 people call, 9 are saying, "Can you teach me how to do what you're doing?"
Having 2 offices in Lagos, Adebola House of Pebi and a Harmony Estate at Deni Jones, both in Ikeja Access. For more about OSC, visit www.oscfashion.com. You can call us on 081-7363-9742. Email info@oscfashion.com. You can also follow our other social media handles. We are One Stop Celebration. OSC. Educate, empower, employ.